Hi, in this video we'll just see how installation of a filter and a softener for a whole individual house has been done. And generally every house has got a water problem, which is going to be some sediment impurities in the water, or you'll have hard water problems in the water. There will be at least mild hardness in the water, which will have white patch marks. Your bathroom will have full of stain marks. Many people will have hair loss problems because of hard water. And what this will do is this will remove all the sediment impurities. The first filter, which is here, will remove all the sediment impurities in the water, so the water becomes crystal clear. And the second one, this is water softener plant, where you have regeneration process and everything to be done with these walls, and the water passes in through this water softener. And after that, when the water comes out of the softener, the water becomes a soft water, and it's connected to the existing overhead tank down through this pipeline. Thank you.